Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Setup Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin. This is episode 418. Bitcoin rally and technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're the one to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Those little things are going to pop up right there. I'm going to set up the chart here on the side real quick. And, Jake, how's it going, man? Moon? Yeah, dude, we've been mooning, right? I mean, we talked about this move. Steve saying, give me good news. I'm long as balls. that's I'm not sure if that's a good thing to know or not. Anyways. Fatty, yes. He's laughing also. I hope we don't go back south on Bitcoin price. I want to see new all-time high. I think alts will run. Thanks, Steve. Awesome, dudes. Let's get on to this, right? Bitcoin hitting a wall at 20K. Yeah, very likely gonna hit a wall. We talked about that yesterday. I'm gonna refresh that today. Let's go see what's happening on market cap, right? So again, we haven't recovered to this new high that we hit here on market cap at 593, right? The nearest high we made. We just wicked high, but that's it. Now we are coming slightly higher. We're starting to build this new positive momentum island. Big as what? Right now in the short-term stuff, we're coming higher, right? Just get the visibility right here, and we are coming slightly lower here, right? And also lower here. Thus creating strong bearish divergence. Can this go rallying? Yeah, this is just the second candle that we're building. We could go on building positive momentum again. The market conditions are still bullish. We just have this bearishness here. Suga saying he's going to break 20K tomorrow. Yeah, we'll talk about that, right? We're going to face resistance, but we might get above 20K. We'll see. Anyways, so that's what's happening with market cap right now, right? So there's a potential for action to the downside. Where could we go? Again, that 786 at 531.54 billion would be a nice target. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance at 63.35% of market cap. Yesterday gaining a little bit, 0.81. Today gaining 0.13%. Sitting at 63.35% of market cap. Arturo, hey, how's it going, man? Bitcoin dominance at where is it at, dude? It's still climbing. So Bitcoin futures still at 20,000, right? Closing 20,000 today. So it's good stuff. I mean, the futures are still going up. Yesterday we managed to close at a high of 19,730, right? So that's all good, man. Where are we at with relations to the parabolic run that we're in? We broke out of it. We came find support at the 20. We had a hidden bullish. We talked about that. We're targeting and facing resistance at 19,891.99. And I do believe that is the high from back here, right? I went out and placed a line there. That way we know whether or not we triggered that. And that is the high that we got here. As you can tell, right? The high, right? You're going to see the small letters that are come up here. It's opening high, low, and close. So if you see the high there, right? It's 9,891.99. That's where I have it at. So there's a lot of hype and talk today on Twitter that, we're making all-time highs on a couple things, particularly Bitcoin. There's only one chart where Bitcoin got above the all-time high, and it's not Coinbase. It's not the other chart that we have here also, right? The Gemini chart. Just let me go here real quick and make sure I'm. Yeah, see, we just hit it, but that's it. We hit the high of 19,873. So we're like $20 off. Here on this chart, the one we usually look at, we know the highs here at 19,199. We have not gotten there. This other chart, I think this is the one that managed to get it. I think it's a Bitstamp chart that managed to get that high. Now I can zoom in here and do the same exercise, right? Place a line here, Alt H. Then what was the high? 19,666. So go with that coordinates. 19,666. There we go. This is the only chart where Bitcoin actually managed to get above, or the ones I look at, right? It's the only chart that I've seen Bitcoin get above the all-time high, right? As you can see, we've wicked it, and we're slightly above the all-time. We managed to close on this chart above the all-time high. So it's the only chart where Bitcoin is actually above the all-time high. Is that a good thing? Right now we're coming back down from that area, right? So we are facing it as resistance. It's fine. I'm not super worried about this yet. Most of the charts have not gotten to that area, right? This chart also, right? 9,850, which got to a high of 19,800. We were $50 off. And this other chart, I didn't even chart it, but this one's off. The price is completely off. It's about $100 higher than the rest of the market. So I don't find this chart to be too reliable. Anyways, let's go check out our analysis. Bitcoin 19,621. What are we doing? Moving up above 19,496. Remember how we talked about this yesterday? Alan Bloomfield. I think it did on Binance too. Yeah, I haven't looked at the Binance chart, dude. Thanks for letting me know, though. I'll check out the Binance chart. I'll add it out post-stream, probably. But if you did on the Binance chart, it'll probably be a good thing. Binance has high volume, so... Like I said, at least in the ones that I check, it didn't make it, right? So look, we managed to close above 19,496. And like I said, this was going to be a resistance. We tangled with this area for a bit. I'm glad we managed to close above today. And, we moved down, found support near that area, starting to push back up. So all things are good, right? What do we have going on right now? Well, we have to rally to 19,120 before we get to our target at 23,462. Where did this target come from? From the double bottom we created, right? We've talked about this before. So if you follow the stream, you're going to know what we're talking about. If you don't, when we get to the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart, you're going to know that we call it double bottom and we're targeting prices to the upside. And since then, we've just been on a rally. So am I worried about this? No. Could be that we're taking a breather before we try to run and pass 19,199, 20K area. Once we get above 20K, things are going to be... are going to be weird. They could be moving really fast. It could be a lot of FOMO coming in. It could really just push the price of Bitcoin extremely high. So we're going to be in uncharted territory. We're going to have to be depending on different things to try to gauge where we can go and how high we can go. But right now, we at least we know from the double bottom, 23,000 and change, it's a potential target. Then we're going to have to change our strategy to look for different things, right? Anyways, look, higher, right? On the daily. And I would just not put a lot of stock on these right now because we're starting to develop it. We don't even have positive momentum. We're just going from positive to negative, right? We should anchor from the highest positive, so back here. And then high to low as well, right? So again, strong bearish divergence. And like I said, starting to develop. I'm not worried about this. My positions are still good. I told you guys I haven't touched them. I only played around with Ripple a little bit, but my Bitcoin's good. Sitting bought at 69.58, so we're coming back onto this neutral zone, and that's fine. We kind of want to move slightly down before we actually move back up, and again, we want to run through this with strength if we're going to burst through this area. But I do believe a lot of people are probably going to be selling at 20K. That's psychological resistance as well, and it's going to probably put some pressure on the price of Bitcoin. But as soon as we get above 20K, it could be a really quick ride up. Remember, we called this when did we call the double bottom? On the 28th, on Friday. Right, and then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we've just been running up. So we know we're good with the call. On that note, like I said, bought at 69.77. Let's go to the 4-hour. Right, on the 4-hour, I was worried about this divergence building up. Remember, I told you there's probably divergence building up. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out. We did move down slightly, which is fine. We didn't go down too hard, and then we just managed to go up, and here we're also coming higher. So the bearish divergence that we were looking for, we no longer have in the 4-hour, and that's fine. I'm glad that we got rid of this. Remember, double bottom, right? Breaking point. We managed to get above this area beautifully. We managed to get above 70,000. Then look here, we rejected a couple times that 19,496. Getting above that area, finding support here again, and might try to move up again. So all things are good. Even from back here, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Overbought right now at 72.14. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour Bitcoin. Look at this. How is Charlotte here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles rejecting 19,496. Remember I told you guys yesterday we're going to be rejecting this area and we're going to struggle to get above it. This was a couple hours that we were fighting for this zone, right? And something that gave me comfort was the fact that, look, it was at least 7 bars, so 7 hours that we were fighting through this area, 7 to 8 hours. Something that gave me comfort here was the fact that, we were starting to flag, right? We had the nice impulse up. It looked like a nice flag that we were starting to build. I just said, look, let it run, right? And it's moved up to the next level, so that's fine. Stuff I don't like, we're starting to make strong bearish divergence. We had strong bearish divergence here. We called price action to the downside, right? We're live here at 9. We did move down. Where to the target that we called the 20. We say if we lose the 20, we're going to move down to 17,781. We managed to sustain the 20 moving average, and that will give us the impulse up, right? So by the time I woke up, I think we're like around this candle. We were like rallying. It was like up here. And we continued, and then we pushed back down. Then pull back up slightly. So it was fine. Not worried about this. From back here to now, there's not a lot going on. Is everything that we have right now is just here on the short term for Bitcoin, right? The last couple hours. So what do we have here? We have strong bearish divergence being developed. Look at this, right? From here to here, and then from here to here. Where that move downward can get us to. Right now, first target would be 19,496. If we manage to sustain this area, we could be looking for a pump of, well, we already hit it once, but we could be looking for a pump to 19,199 and probably even try to break 20K. Remember, we have a target here at 23,462. So after we move above 20K, there's nothing here. There's no reason why we couldn't just do a quick shot to try to take that target. Just like when Bitcoin, when the XRP moved down, right? And we called it, right? Look at Bitcoin also. We had this, right, double top. We didn't call this one on time. We called this one on time. We called this on here as it was starting to build up. But this one I hadn't seen. Remember, I just drew it like yesterday. So this double top, look at how quickly it played out here. I called the one for XRP, but I didn't call this one for Bitcoin. We had the confirmation line, and look at it. As soon as we broke it, it's just a couple hours till we went to target, right? And we knew target was down here. So let's see how quickly we hit target. So we could even say that we hit target around here, maybe here with this wick. 12%, so just 6 hours, right? This was a very quick movement down. Created a double bottom that we called on Friday. And like I told you, the weekend I really didn't even check the charts that much. I just opened it once on Saturday, once on Sunday, and that's it. No need to be checking when you know where the market's going to go. Right, so we knew the market was going to go up. It was fine, so there was no worries about this. Right, we had divergence, bullish with a double bottom, and it was just time. It was just a matter of time to just let this run and see where it was going to take us. Right. Sorry, this is from the 4-hour chart. There we go. Right, so like I said, right now, bearish divergence, potential moving down. We're at least stalling at this area, which is fine. It's giving us some sort of consolidation. And when it's if this is gonna go higher. Market Money, hi. Am I streaming on Twitch? Yes, I'm streaming on Twitch as well, dude. I should be streaming on Twitch. It's supposed to be streaming on Twitch. It says I'm live. I'm not watching myself though. But here it is. I'm on Twitch. Yay! Go Twitchers. I got feedback now from Twitch. That's why I don't open it on different windows. I don't want to be like running with the noise in the background. My microphone is quiet. Really? Wow. You can barely hear me? That's weird. Here, the gain level. Sorry. It's showing up fine. See, I'm even going into the red here, so that's weird. I'm not sure why you say it's low. But thanks for letting me know, though. I mean... BG Speeches, no. BG Speeches, your volume is great. We need an overnight review on Ethereum. Alright, we're going to do Ethereum in a second, dude. It's on your end? Yeah, probably. Market Monkey is probably on your end. Tried Hayes. Quiet Mike Boss can hear you on your end either. Wow, that's weird. Because apparently it's going out fine. A couple of people are saying it's going out fine. Il Duce. Bad audio. Weird. I'm not sure, man. Apparently... I don't know, dude. Let me see if YouTube tells me something, but I think it's going out fine. Thank you guys for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like button and stuff meanwhile, so... You're gonna check out the sound. Right on. I'm back. Can you guys tell me if the audio's fine now? Apparently my stream crashed. So, yep. Maybe my stream crashed. Should be back and running now. But if someone could confirm that, that'll be awesome. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sticking with me through that small issue. I'm not sure why it crashed or why the volume died. I'm not going to play music in the background and see if that helps. So, I don't know, dude. It just died. So, making sure the audio's off. Yeah, so no music today to the stream. Audio's still cutting in and out. That's weird, man. Well, audio's fine on my end. See, it's fine on my end, so everything's good here. I can see myself. Like, look, here's this mic audio, still going all the way up. So I'm not sure why it's off with you guys. Apparently, everyone else has good audio. So, Steve, can you confirm the audio's good, man? And Jake, can you confirm the audio's good? Or in Soka, if you're there. Is rock solid? All right, cool, man. Guys, you might want to try Reload Oracle Investment in Gaming Oracle. It might be that audio's off on your end. Maybe it's a bad. I'm not sure. Maybe something happening on your end. Like the guys that usually follow this says rock solid on their app. So I'm just gonna keep on going. So sorry about that, guys, but I'm back. Yeah, maybe, dude. We'll see. Anyways, just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, it's fine, dude. You sound like the Cobra guys from. You sound like the Cobra guys from G.I. Joe, dude. Whatevs. Yeah. It's good though. Right on. So let's get the music back on then. Apparently, it wasn't the music. Let's see if we can get this rolling here. There we go. And next song, there we are. Awesome. So, wow. So, teenagers. Anyways, Bitcoin. So, what's going on again? We're going up. We have various divergence. Looking for that price action to downside. We'll see how that's going to go. Not a lot going on there. Again, high, lower, high, possible is possible. Everything here is fine. So nothing else going on besides that bearish divergence. Again, target 23,400. Once we get above 20K, like I said, it could be a really, really quick movement to the upside. So on that note, that's going to be it though. So let's go and check out Ethereum. What is going on with Ethereum? Ethereum on the daily. So, okay, cool. Sorry, by the way, I forgot to talk about this. What some people were saying about the double top. Steve, you mentioned something about double top on the Discord. You got rid of your action figures during your team. Time to check some of my ties out, mate. That's fine, dude. Those are my kids, actually. I have kids, so that's their Legos. And then some of those Deadpools back there, they're also for collection. So, yeah, it's all good, though. I have kids, so I'm okay with that. At least I still have my balls, and they work. So, I'm not sure about you, bro. Anyways, what do we have here? We're going slightly higher. So some people are calling this a potential double top, and we'll see how that's going to go. It is a 2% move to the upside. It could still become a double top, but I'm not sure whether or not that's going to be working there. Let's see if I can do this real quick. Yeah, that's fine. I guess that works. Just remove them from the I guess that works, right? Yep. Need to block someone? Yeah, I think I just blocked a lot of people. Taco Supreme Ham team. Not sure, dude. Yeah, I think that's it, dude. I just blocked a couple of those guys out, and it should be okay now. And these guys, well. And do that, and do that. That should work. I know I'm doing something when trolls hit me. Yeah, that's fine. Anyway, someone's talking about a potential double bottom, right? So a double top, sorry. So that was one. That's another one again. Not sure whether or not this reel is going to be coming in to play right now. I don't believe this is going to be a double top. Right, I would have loved to see this a little bit closer, maybe up to here, if it was going to be a double top, and then potentially see that moving down. Anyways, what's that? Steve, you know you're doing something right. Yeah. Don't any haters. Yeah, dude. It's all good. Anyways, potential action down on the divergence. That's fine. We're finding support at 90,496. Again, people are calling this a potential double top. I'm not buying it yet. On that note, I'm going to go and check out Ethereum. Yeah, it's all good. So Ethereum looks a little bit closer to a double top, right? It's not going up that high. It's like probably not even going to be 1%. It is 1%, 1.27. So it is a slight move up still, but again, you know, it's within a percentage that we could consider this a double top on this small area here. I was just going to write potential. I still don't think it's going to be the case. I think we could be taking a breather before we run up to target, and we know we have a target on Ethereum around 700, right? So let me see if I can see it here. That's not the chart. That's why I can see it. But here we go. 709. So potentially a target there. And again, potential double top, right? I'm just gonna call it potential. I'm not sure it's gonna be a double top yet. It looks like an atom. It's also starting to look like an atom, so it could be an atom double top. I'm not gonna go much into detail, at least until we get confirmation. How do we know? Well, there's gonna be one top here. Yeah, it's going to be on top here, and then the other one's going to be here on the side, right? Again, potential. I'm not calling them double tops yet. I'm gonna make this line here. Make it blue. And that's the confirmation line, right? And then double top here. Potential. Alright, potential double top. Confirmation line, again, you know, we were looking at a 13% or so move to a downside if it becomes valid. So from confirmation line, if this is to play out, we were looking at least a hit of maybe 15-17% should be the target. So for 138, right, maybe. Dap Romeo accepting the move. Definitely has some potential right up against a potential heavy resistance point. Yeah, dude, it has potential to the upside still, right? We haven't finished that. So right now, still going up higher. Again, same stuff that with Bitcoin, right? So again, coming in slightly higher. Just going to set this back to yellow. There we are. And here we go. And here we go, right? Anyways, action to the downside, starting to move down slightly, out of resistance. Yes, like you said, Steve, we are out of resistance. So, 619, that's where we're at. Let's go to the 4 hour and see how it's playing out here. Oh, this didn't stay on the 4 hour, man. That's my bad. Sorry, on the daily, there we go. Let me go on the daily real quick. I just gotta make sure some of these lines are gonna stay here. Otherwise, it's gonna make the chart extremely messy, dude. We don't want a messy chart. So, do that here, and here as well. Good stuff. Again, here we're coming higher, and here we are coming lower. So again, strong bearish divergence against the RSI, but nothing against the MACD, which is fine. Again, here we had our double bottom, right? Had that line here, and then moving up. Again, target at 600 and change. Still got your long open. Yeah. I'm not sure when you get in, Steve. Right now, neutral. Sorry, bought at 68.26 on the RSI. So waiting for this to really just continue on the upside, right? We could get pullback. That's fine. Right now, I'm not worried. Like I said yesterday, I'm not worried about this until we break below 547 again. All right, we could come to the 20, try to find support and pump again. That's fine, right? So let's wait and see how this is going to keep on playing out for Ethereum. Right on. So let's check this out. On the 1 hour, right, we had the bearish divergence, moved slightly down on that, then we started on this pumps. We didn't have anything when we called this yesterday. But by today, what do we have, man? Oh no, what do we have? We have strong bearish divergence developing, and that is for price action to the downside. So awesome stuff there, right? And then again, we came higher still, and what do? Still managed to go lower here. Also lower here, so strong bearish divergence still. Every time we're developing strong bearish divergence, we do have a negative momentum island here. There's a tiny one over here, and on that node we're hitting 619.26 and starting to move down there. So that's fine. Again, moving down, we could be triggering for that 20 and see where that's going to go. Neutral at 59.18 on the RSI. So that's about it, though. Right, so potential action to the downside. Move could go to 20 on the 1 hour chart, right? That move would be at 600, which again is not that bad. We could try to go on a pump after that for a retest of 619. We already got near 619, so we talked about this a while back. So there's no problems with this area. There's no problem with the chart, right? We called this on Friday. Friday stream we had all this talked about, so we're just playing it out, waiting for it to hit target, right? So that's fine. Let's go check out XRP, man. Someone said XRP on the move at 65.49. What? Yes, it's on the move down. Why? Why XRP? Why must you be dropping? Again, XRP didn't have anything. High, low, positive was positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Bought at 70 point, or we bought at 70.85. That's about it. Not a lot going on with XRP, man, right? Struggling to stay above that 65.63 cent area. Right now, it's 65.49. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Wow, this just got slow on the music. Oh, this one's good. This one might be good. So, what do we have here, right? High to low, low to high. 4 hour chart. Low to high. High to low. Positive, less positive, right? 64, 64, right? So 61, 64 going higher, that's fine. We have strong bearish divergence against the MACD, but that's it. Nothing against RSI. Bought at 61.23. Again, getting below that 65.63 area, so that's fine. And on that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Got to anchor this in the 4, man. Snaps. Snaps. Right on. So, what do we have, right? High, higher, and high, low. Strong bearish divergence against the RSI, and then short term against the MACD at 220, 216, yeah, slightly lower. Coming in lower here, and then coming in slightly higher here, and then from here to here as well. Right. So bearish divergence, action to the downside. Again, below that 65.63% area. So that's all good. Steve, where do you open your long for Ethereum, dude? I don't think I caught that, but anyways. Potential moving down coming in. Again, a lot of cryptos having this bearish divergence. That could get us to the 20. In XRP, if we don't go to the 20, at least we'll be looking at 58.72, right? That would be a target. Might find some support around this area, right? We've manufactured new stuff, so maybe some support around this area here at 63.37 would be okay. We'll see how that goes there. Let's go check out Litecoin. What is going on with Litecoin on the daily? Litecoin had a low, Had a low, had a low. Bought at 64.27. Again, double bottom. Playing to the upside, playing nicely, sitting at $88.76. Not a lot going on here, so let's go to the 4 hour, man. Right, so double bottom, confirmation line, breaking above, hitting to target at $96, right? 95.90 or something around that area, so that's fine. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out. High, low, low, high, right? Starting to develop. Strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? And this is the same. That would just track onto there, and this would just track onto there, right? So again, still in play, hidden bearish divergence. Sorry, price action to the downside. Thoughts on Riot and Mara stocks? Sure, man. I'll check them out. What is this? Riot and Mara? Okay. Steve, I think I got in at 580. That's awesome, dude. You're very, very close to the price of Ethereum right now. I'll set up a maybe a 3% stop loss from current price. All right, that should cover your exit on Ethereum. But again, not advice, right? You can do whatever you want. Again, nothing that you hear here is financial advice. Nor am I implying that you should take any action, right? I'm just discussing what I'm seeing here, and we just happen to be extremely accurate. So again, hidden bearish action to the downside. Let's see how this is going to play out for Litecoin. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We might still have bearish divergence. We have it in this last part, man. So, by the way, dudes, I'm still enjoying that brisket I cooked on the weekend, dude. I had some brisket sandwich today. It's really good, man. Soka was asking me to send him. Soka was asking me to send him brisket the other day. I was like, dude, no way. It was really good, man. It was really tasty, but maybe it's some other day. All right, again, higher, lower, lower. Bearish divergence, strong. Potential action to the downside. That move could get us at least to 20. We're going to have immediate support at the 50% line, right, of the fib notes, so it's fine. And like I said, bought at 69.66. That's it, dudes. Again, we did create some hidden bullish here, by the way, to get that rally going on, right? But that's about it. That is about it, man. How long can we have it here next RP? I'm checking on Ethereum. Make sure I didn't miss that on other coins. Ethereum also has that. See. So that's why we got that pump here. Don't have it against RSI. It's fine. Then Bitcoin. The Bitcoin. Hi. Oh, that's fine. What's going on here on the daily for Binance? Not a lot, right? We're not doing much. High, low, positive, high, and there's lower point, neutral. 56.96 on the other side. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. High to low, low to high. Right, it seems so. Let's see. 270, 279, slightly higher finally. Yep. High, slightly higher, right? Not by much, but it is slightly higher. Hidden bearish. Potential action to the downside. Starting to stall. Bought at 64.24 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart coming in higher, high, higher, high, higher. Nothing here. Shorter term high here. Again, we're gonna have strong bearish divergence on the short term here, and that's fine. There we go. There we go. And here we go as well, right? Then let's see, low, high. What is this? 4830 587. Right, this also works here. Right here and from here to here. That's it, dude. That's all there is right now. That's it for Binance. There's really not a lot going on for Binance. It's just still on an uptrend. Again, the bottom would be expecting a 30 plus hit, right? We already talked about this 23%. I think got us to like $38 or something like that. Yeah, it's fine. We might have. No, we just didn't draw it. That's fine. Again, I'm not gonna draw it for this. I'm gonna go check out. Got a request for Riot and Mara, and then ADA, I guess, on Steve's account. By the way, I'm gonna deputize some people. Soga's mod and Steve's a mod, and yeah, that's it for now. 2 more mods added to keep the channel clear of trolls. You troll slayers, got powers now. It's easier to keep the channel at bay, or trolls at bay, with mods. You have a small long on BNB. Not so happy on BNB. I mean, it still has upside potential, right? Don't get me wrong. 33% we get something, right? So that's fine. Bitcoin J, what? Nice. Yeah. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure if trolls, if it's a thing that I should just ignore, or I should just, like, you know, like ban them or something, because you know it's annoying to see it on the chat, right, on the replay, so it's just distracting. So yeah, I just on the spot decision to make mods to be troll slayers. Right on. So let's do Riot first. We got a request for Riot tomorrow, and then we'll do ADA. So Jake saying I won 2nd place in the Dude X video contest, $50. Right, what was the contest about, Jake? Let me know. Let's check out Mara. I already had that one open. I haven't looked at Mara in a while though, because I already had it open. Did I ever chart anything here? I doubt it, man. I just had it open because it's already on my watch list. Mara, nice pump, 46%. Very likely on. I'm gonna say that. Well, first of all, you have like a sort of double bottom here, right? That, you know, it's fine. But I'll say that this pump is on news, because on the technicals it looks fine. Right on. From back here, there is some strong bearish divergence developing, right, on the daily. Actually, the downside, right? That's what I'm looking at. But I think that's about it with Mara, dude, right? When they released Link Leverage, that's awesome, bro. And they're on the first target on Binance. Dude, target for the double bottom on Binance was at 36. So that's what I'm targeting. Okay, goes from there. Alright, cool. That's it for Mara, dude. I mean, let's look in the weekly. Again, on the weekly it has the same thing, right? Look. High, higher, lower. Also here, right? On the weekly, this is starting to develop, but you still have strong bearish divergence. Could be some pullback coming in. Again, this is very likely pumping on news, not on technicals, right? It's easy to see because there's nothing that it's doing that's really just saying pump. Let's check out Mara. No, it's Mara. Let's check out Riot. I think I already have also open Riot blockchain. Yeah, I have it open already. I'm not sure if I looked at this or when I looked at this last, but I already had it open. I don't think I did anything with it because he didn't have anything on the charts. Right, it's developing strong bearish divergence. Look at this, high, higher. Also here, right? It's low, higher, low, low, higher. That's fine. Again, this does have bearish divergence. Why is this pumping? Well, I'll tell you why this right blockchain is pumping. Very likely because you know, it's following the rest of the crypto pump. So that's why I would be crediting this rise on price to, right? There's bearish divergence. Could be moving down coming in. We haven't gotten confirmation though, right? This will be your trend. Breaking below that line would certainly indicate that. Right now, this still managed to close up, so it's not even pointing down. On overbought at 73.68, so it could be that, you know, tomorrow opens and moves down again. Stocks are a little bit different than crypto. Crypto just moves 24/7, so there's always continuation here. Could be that we just break back down anyways. Those two are moving because of Bitcoin. Yeah, very likely, dude, right? So that's what I said, dude. Other cryptos. Let's go check out ADA, man. After ADA, I'll do DVT. ADA, man, 17 cents. Word about this? No, dude, still rejecting some areas. Look, Steve finally managed to get above that 17.15 area. Now we're below again right now at 16.98. But also we have that other 100% mark there at 17.26, right? So we managed to like get caught between that area, not quite closing above that 100%. Remember, we talked about this bearish divergence yesterday to here, to there, and then still there, and then neutral. Oh, sorry, bought at 69.74. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. And what are we doing here? Higher, right? That's fine. By the way, if you guys like what we do, hit that like that button. That's right. Be awesome people and awesome subscribers and followers. So, follow the channel. Taste the rainbow. Alright, so let's do ADA. Let's finish ADA. There we go, man. You tend to close it long here or a little early. It depends how much up you're on your long and how much you're willing to risk that profit, right? It really just depends on that, Steve. Look, if you're over 10, 20, 30% on your long, you might want to take profit, you know, or set up like a stop loss, right? Like, you know, just set up a line where you and write it down on the chart, right? Like, I'm not sure when you get in, but let's say you take current price and then you go 5% down, somewhere around here, and then just do I just do Alt H, and I would do a line here, and then I would make this red. I would set up an alert and say if it ever comes below this line, I'll exit, and then just trigger your exit if it drops below that line, so you can at least take a profit on your long. That's how I would play it. But again, I mean, that would be my measure without knowing when you got in, right? Jake, I took 250% profit on my long when I woke up this morning. Yeah, dude, that was a good profit, dude. That's a good long on I think you had that on Bitcoin, right? Yeah, dude, I told you guys, Bitcoin is no worry, man. I wasn't worried about Bitcoin one bit. Right now, I'm starting to get a little bit worried that we're near all-time highs. But that's the only thing that's worrying me right now. There's really not a lot that's worrying me, so awesome stuff, right? Again, ADA, right? Action to the downside. Bearish divergence. Strong. From where? Well, even from back here, right? It's a straight line from here. We'll just track onto here. And then from here, just track onto there, right? Again, strong bearish divergence. Action downside. That's what I'm expecting to see. We already got this one to play out. We pumped. Still have strong bearish divergence. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. That is the 1-hour chart. Oh, this is from the 4, bro. Did I just forget the anchor stuff? Yep. Or the daily, maybe. Send it out of here, anyways. That's all I care about. Right, so bearish divergence. We called this one out yesterday, right? We were here live. We talked about action to downside. We did manage to move slightly down still. What do we create? Let's see. 1, 2, 6. Nope. Yep. Nope, we don't have it. I was looking for something bullish. We do have it against the RSI, though, right? Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence, sir. Again, strong bearish divergence, action to the upside. Sorry, not strong bearish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. What the fuck am I talking about? Hidden bullish divergence, action to the outside. Starting to get that move up. That's fine. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the RSI lower point. Nothing bearish right now. On the 1 hour, right? Looks clear. And then you just measure 24623. 224, right? So 2422. Slightly less again. Like I said, nothing bearish. Just rejecting this area. It could be that we're taking a breather, right? We're moving for that 20, and we could try to take some strength and like rally up again, right? So that could be the move that we're expecting here on ADA. I'm gonna go do DVT real quick. See where it's at. It's a 2.4 sat still, dude. The forever stuck at 2.4. One quick second, guys. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Gotta do something real quick. I'm back. Sorry about that. Hope you can hear me. Yo, there we are. Sounds good. Riley Schultz, top on XRP. Yeah, dude, we did XRP. I'll do it again, Riley. Just give me one quick second. Just did ADA. I gotta do DVT. Then I'll do XRP again. Then after that, I'll do RSR. Sorry about going away for a second. I had to go get more water. I was thirsty. Steve, bullish run on and the fact that we would break above that 17.2 cent. Out of 10 is making it possible. Yeah, I would say wait, dude, right? That's why I said on ADA wait. Let me go back to ADA real quick. Gotta wait for a move here, right? Either we stay above this area or we reject. Look at the 4 hour. We have, dude, where was it? Was it the 1 hour or the 4 hour? I know we had a line right immediately below. Did I delete this? No, it's probably in the daily. Just look very close. Yeah, on the daily, right? Look, we have something around that we just broke below that 17 to 15 area, right? Wait and see, dude. Like I said, just set up a target from current price that you're willing to go down. And if it triggers, just exit your position. That's it. And if it doesn't trigger, then you're still in. There's nothing overcomplicated about this, right? Right on. Let's do DVT real quick. DVT on the 1 hour. Let me get some indicators out here. I'll do after this. I'll do our XRP again. So let's get the MACD, and let's get the RSI as well. Right on. Make this nice thick bars and green. That way we can see them. Someone sub, Riley Schultz. Thank you, man. Thank you for the sub. Helping us get closer to our target, man. I'm not sure how many we're away now, but we are closer to our target. We're at 21 out of 25 subs. Great stuff, man. It's all good. Anyways, DVT real quick. Just going sideways, coming in lower here, right? Right, so look at this. Here I'm going to draw it out slightly higher so you can see it. But we're going in sideways here, and here we're coming in lower like that, right? So bearish divergence. On the RSI, it's just 100%, so it makes it really, really hard to read, right? So again, I would call the RSI unreliable for the 1 hour chart on DVT. But the MACD, we have medium bearish divergence, right? So let's go to the 4 hour chart here. High to low, high to low, high to low. All good. Now, let's see this. Low, high, and do we have something here? I think so. Even from here, I think So I was struggling with this yesterday, dude. I don't want to anchor from here because it's all one island. I really should be anchoring from the highest point. But it all reads at 0, so it just makes it really, really hard to gauge. You have to do everything by eye, so... I'm not sure if I could go for something like that, maybe, and say that we have some kind of, you know, a hidden bullish. But I'm not super inclined on that. So I'm just going to go to the daily, and I'm going to call nothing on the 4 hour here. And here we have bullish divergence, because we know, because we already talked about this, right? Look, we're coming down here like that. Here we're coming from negative to less negative, and then low on the other side to our point. So strong bullish divergence, right? Actually, to the opposite. We got that pop, high, low, positive, positive, high on the other side to the lower point. There's nothing bearish. We're just chilling. We could be taking a breather before we actually pump up again. Still yet to be determined. On that note, let's go back and look at XRP again. What is up with the XRP? Look, XRP is just flirting with the 65, 63 resistance. Managed to get above it, slightly below it right now. And if it doesn't manage to close above that area, it could be looking for a movement down again. Where could it get us to? At least on the daily, to the 58, 72 area. I believe the blue line here, and I do have an alert set up right below it. Now, we don't have anything going on here in the daily. High, low, positive is positive, high on the other side to lower point. Just overbought at 70.64. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look, in the 4 hour, we have a little bit more to play with. Now we're coming low, high. Right. This stuff from the 1 hour showing up here as well. I forgot to anchor today. All over the place, bros. Sorry about that. Just makes it messy, right? It makes it weirder to see. So everything that is from the 1 hour, I'll just send back to the 1 hour real quick. This from the 4, that's fine. And this one should be from the 1 hour. It makes no sense where it's anchored at. There we are. Alright, so low, high, low. That's it, right? Strong bearish divergence. Action to downside. We're starting to get that candle coming red. Again, target, if we cannot sustain 65, 63, it would be the 20 on the 4 hour. That being at 61.43. And then if we break there, we have a target at 58.72. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, what's going on there? High, higher, high to low, right? So again, strong bearish divergence. Price action, downside, and we're still getting this to play. Look, we've just been flirting with this line for a while, so we're finally breaking below it. It must support. Now it's probably going to become a resistance if we don't close this candle above that area. We still have 40 seconds to go. I don't think we're going to do it. So here again, on the 1 hour, the move would be the 20 moving average at 64.20. And then we would have the 20 moving average on the 4 hour on a movement down, and then 58.72. But I also called for some support around this area. Because, look, I'll do this real quick. Alt H. Let's get that line going on here. Look at this, right? It was kind of a support here. Here was a resistance. Here was a resistance, and then it became a support. That's, and also support here and here. So that's what I'm calling this line, the 63.36, a potential new support. I'm actually going to change it to green. That's fine. I'll leave it on that color. I'll just write here new support. What a question mark was. I still don't believe it's going to be 100% there. If this moves below that 20 and hits this area and bounces, then yeah, it became a support. But I'm still not 100% that this is actually going to be support because we didn't have it before. It's new. We're just calling it. So we'll see how that's going to play out there. There we go. Sorry. Wife's screaming to the dog now. Awesome stuff. That's it for XRP. Now let's do RSR, man. So, dude, Riley, I hope you like the analysis we just did for XRP. Again, there's, just being realistic with what it's there. Again, if Bitcoin manages to keep on going up, it'll certainly manage to get XRP to go higher. That's what happened. XRP didn't have a lot of technicals for the pump. It just based on the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum were recovering also, so it just helped with the recovery. Right, so RSR. Where are we at, man? Still going slightly higher. That's fine. Yesterday we pumped 9%. Today pumping 0.31 at 2.15 cents. That's fine. Nothing on the daily to look at, right? So let's go to the 4 hour. I was looking for bearish divergence here. I was worried about that yesterday. We managed to go higher. We're still coming in lower, I guess. 316, 29. Yep, so still coming in lower. So we still have that strong bearish divergence. Nothing against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're actually bought at 61.01. So that is fine. I'm not super worried about RSI right now. I'm still waiting for it to finish playing out. And on the 1 hour, we have strong bearish divergence, I think. Let me check. High, low, low, high. Where are we at here? 976, 126. No, slightly higher also. So no bearish divergence right now. For RSR, we're just running on this old bullish divergence we called yesterday. So that's fine. Again, we just been pumping up. That's great. Nothing bearish. And then against this high here. Look, high, higher high, positive. Sorry, high on the other side to a higher high. And then here I cannot do it because we do have one island here. Another island here that we got to respect. So, yeah, you're welcome, Riley. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining us, dude. And thank you for being part of the community. Dudes, that is it for RSR. What do you guys want to look at now? I think we just covered what we usually cover here on the stream. So, any coin requests that you guys have, it's fair game. It's a fair game. Oh, dude, let me go back through the chat, see what we got here. So, Shopify, what's up, dude? Have I seen the sun? Yes, I saw the sun today. It was bright and yellow. Kidding, dude. Yeah, I'll check out the sun. I haven't looked it up today. And then ETN and NEM. All right, yeah, we can do ETN and NEM. Sure, guys. So whatever your request, right? We'll check it out. So, Sun. Let's go check out Sun. Shopify, I'll check out Sun. Just let me know against what pair. So, I guess dollar? It wasn't requesting anything else, so, you know. Go against the dollar. Spectre, what's up, dude? How's it going, man? Thanks for being here. You guys missed the awesome trolls that we had today. Trollception. Sun to Tether. Alright, opening against the dollar, so it should be close enough. So, just let me open against Tether now. There we are. Yeah. You guys missed Troll Hour. It was Troll Hour o'clock a couple minutes ago. And, we had to slay trolls. Yeah, there were trolls that came in and started to be like little dickwids, but you know, I had to like shut them off. So I don't think you're gonna be able to see them, but because I think when I remove them here, it just removed all their chats that they had. So. Yeah, we had to slay some trolls. Sun, dude, Sun's going up. What the hell? 20%. Still pumping. Why? Let's check this out, dude. What is this project, man? I never heard about the Sun project. $13.53, man. That is good, man. That's a good small rally that it's getting. My stream is growing. Cringe trolls. Yeah. That was fun. So let's see this. We are starting to develop bearish divergence here, right? Low to high. High to low. Low to high. Strong bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. That's what we're expecting to see here. Right. And we're going to see how this is going to play out here. Right. This chance sun could start to come down. This could go on developing and go higher. So it's going to be fine. Here, high, higher also. On that note, hello. Right, there was some bullish divergence back here against the MACD apparently. And we'll see how this is going to roll. Just going to get rid of this in the 1 hour, dude. This is going to show up in the 1 hour as well, so. And then from here to here. Right, awesome stuff. Anyways, overbought right now. It's like 6.18. Like I said, there's potential for action to the downside here, right? But this could go on rallying. Again, right now it's just on that pump. Gotta wait for it to finish and see where we're gonna close. But right now we have this. You know, still moving a lot. Victor Miller, how long do we have to move our XRP off Coinbase to get our Spark token? I think you just have to have it on at a participating exchange prior to the 12th. By the time they take the snapshot. So 12th at like 00 hours, right? So that'll be my guess. They haven't set a previous time. I haven't moved mine yet, right? Is Coinbase not supporting the drop? I think not yet. They haven't declared themselves as supporting that drop yet. Let's check out the exchanges that are participating. No, it's not here, dude. All right, look. Oh, Bitso. Bitso's participating. Yes, I don't have to move my XRP. That's good. Soka, check that out. You also don't have to move your XRP. Right on. Altcoin Anchor, Airbit, Big One, Binance, BitBay, BitBNS, Bitfinex, BitCub, BitTrue, Bitso, Bitstamp, BKX, Celsius, Coinbit, CoinEx, Coinfield, Coinmerce, CoinOne, CoinSpot, Colo, DAX, Crypto.com, eToro, eToroX, Fubblegate, Gate.io, GateHub, GoPax. No, they're not here yet, man. They might still get listed, but it's not there yet. Steve sold my Ethereum as 2.0 stars tomorrow and sell news buy rumor. It's a real big thing. Dude, I don't think Ethereum is going to go down that much. The reason why Ethereum is going out is because you have to like have 32 Ethereum so you're able to stake it. Shopify, I'm going to go back to Sun, dude. I'm not done with it. I'm just, someone asked about Flare and I just wanted to check that out real quick. So I don't think it's going to drop on the news that Ethereum 2.0 is coming out or starting tomorrow, right? I think it's, people were adding on to Ethereum so they could stake it. And once they stake it, it's going to be not movable. So it's actually going to decrease the circulating supply, which is going to have like a sort of a squeeze effect on the market, right? Or it should be having a squeeze effect on the market. So let's say you have your 32, right? And you have it in the exchange, but you are going to stake it. You're not going to be able to use it. Thus, there's going to be a lot less Ethereum in circulation. It could have the opposite effect and actually shoot the price up, I think. So that's my thought on Ethereum right now. Anyways, that's it on the daily here on Sun. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, higher high, positive, more positive, high, higher high as well. All's good, right? Now that's it here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, side to lower point. That's fine. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here on the 4 hour Sun. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we're not gonna have anything, right? We're just going parabolic, and then we're going higher and higher here as well. Just overbought at 92.07. So highly overbought. There's a chance this could come down quickly to cool off, right? That we get pulled back. Remember, you gotta wait for Sun to do something else. Again, it doesn't have a lot going on here. Low, low, lower, negative, more negative, right? So I'm not gonna call anything on Sun right now. I'm gonna wait for it to do something because right now it's pumping. There's still things that could happen. We either get pulled back because we're going up too high, too quick, or we're gonna flag and try to determine what we're gonna do. Consolidate at this level, right? But that's it, dude. On daily, going for a 30% pump. Very, very nice. Dude, what else is going on here? Speculators will sell. I heard a lot of people talking about it's going to pump. They said the same thing about ADA in July after Shell announced, and it dropped half. And yeah, I might pick up some more on a little dump and stake it. Yeah, dude, Ethereum is, it's your call, dude. For reals. I don't have that much Ethereum. I never quite got into the project. I just got whatever I got for free from selling NFTs, and that's it. So Ethereum, I'm not that much into, and yeah, that is that. On that note, that's Sun. So let's go check out ETN and NIM. I think those were the other requests that were in. So let's go do ETN. Where's ETN at, right? Right at that 618 fib. That's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Still holding on to, we said we could come down here. We are there. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, there, higher, high. Bought at 61.45, so nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. There was some bearish divergence here on ETN. Sorry, this ETN did the other. Here we go on this one. Because I was going to say there's bearish divergence here. It's just weird we didn't call it. So here, remember, we had the bullish divergence. We took that pump. We weren't developing anything. Coming down, hitting that support here at that 618 as well. Again, on the 4 hour, what are we going to do? Again, bearish divergence. Move down, hit that 20. Try to take a pop. Failed to go higher in the previous high. We talked about this possibility. Breaking down again. Low or negative. Is it slightly less? Let's see where we closed here. Closed at 497. 497,344. 038, so it is slightly higher, I would say, just briefly, dude. I would even just say this is sideways motion, but we are still going slightly lower here, and also more negative momentum. So I'm not going to call anything here that is bullish. Just getting a small pop, and that's it, right? Hitting the 20. The 1 hour might be clearer for this area, so I'm much rather look at this there. And we had the bearish divergence. We broke down on that. That's fine. That's the last call we made. That's awesome, right? And that was yesterday. 9 p.m., right? Look, bearish divergence, move down. We move down. Great stuff. Right here, where are we at here? 491. 50, slightly more negative, and also lower on the RSI. So nothing here. Nothing bullish, right? High, low, negative. More negative, low on there at the lower point. Now here, short time, let's see, low to high, negative, less negative, low on there at the higher point. That's great. High to low, and then high to low. That's it. Neutral at 56.41 on the RSI. That's it. I'm not going to make it call Electroneum. It looks like he just wants to recover a little bit. That's fine. But doesn't have anything going on short term. Last thing we have is the bearish divergence. That's it. Let's go and check out NIM. Nimic. High, higher high, high to low. Bearish divergence, move down, found support of the 20. Bouncing, flirting with the 20, try to go higher, but failing. High, low, high, low, high, low. It's all good here, right? Not a lot. Neutral at 5602 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, hidden bullish, action to the upside. We're getting that pseudo rally. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the RSI, lower point. Even here, look, high, higher high, positive, more positive. High on the RSI, lower point. We have some hidden bearish now. Alright, but that's about it. There's really not a lot going on with Nimic, dudes. Cool. Steve, Crow. Sure, bro. I can check out Crow. Anyways, that's it for name, right? Neutral at 57.27. That's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I'm not liking the way the 1 hour chart looks, by the way. Just not that there's something wrong with it. It's just super choppy. So again, we're coming in higher here. When it's choppy, it just makes it harder to easily see the moves. You know, you just have to look harder for them. And, but here we have some bearish divergence. Strong. Actually, the downside, we move down. We're trying to recover this area. High, high, slightly lower, high, low. High, low, that's fine. There's nothing bearish. Let's see if we have something bullish here, but I'm not sure. 1, 2, 2. 1, 3, 3. 43.78. 43.58. Slightly lower. Also coming lower here. That's it, dude. I'm not going to look for anything bullish right now. I don't think I can see it. At least not easily. This would be the easiest way to see it. High, low. Higher, low. Here I wouldn't call it because there's some islands here, but low, right, and higher low. So yeah, I'm not gonna call anything here that's bullish. Just this strong bearish right now, and that's it. You know, we're trying to recover. Let's see if we managed to go higher. Looks really, really weird, man. Crow. Let's check that one out. I'm not sure if we looked at Crow before. Yeah, we looked at Crow before. I have it here. Crow to Feather. Someone requested a while back. We had some strong bullish divergence. We did take that small rally, and then we've just been dropping since. I'm not sure when we looked at this. To me, it would seem that we looked at this on October the 8th, which kind of makes sense, or could make sense, right? Let me check. I have another Crow here. We didn't call anything on this one. So last one we called something on was this one. And it has that insane wick of nothingness, right? So that's it. Then, you know, we did go higher in that bullish divergence, and then we immediately dropped, so that's fine. Do we have something high, low, possible high there? So lower point, that's great. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low there. So it's lower point, nothing bullish here. Now here we get something bullish happening. Right on, look at this. Some strong bullish divergence, her potential action to the upside, right? Got that small pop, hit the 20, reject it, hit the 20 again and reject it. We're going lower. Now what do we do here? Low, lower, low still, right? Negative, less negative, and then low on there side to a higher point. Thus creating strong bullish divergence, taking that rally again. Rally, do we have bearishness here? Yeah, some bearish divergence. Strong against the MACD. That's it. Right, and then here we're going high and slightly higher. That's fine. And here we did manage to go slightly lower, right? So let's see this. Right here and from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We're trying to get that potential pump happening. That's about it, dude. Chart BitTube, please, and XVG. Sure, dude. Oh, what's BitTube? Ticker, Jake. Let's check out XVG meanwhile. Tube. All right, I'll check that one out. Anyways, crawl on the 4 hour. Let's go check it out. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, there, so it's lower point. Low, high, possible, positive. All right, so there's some bearishness there. Let's look back here. Bearish divergence to that dump, right? Again, with the rest of the market, very likely. Nothing here, like I said, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? Some strong bullish divergence developing here. From here to here, and then from here to slightly lower. Price action to the upside, right? We're starting to get that movement to the side here. That's great. Now, let's see. So low to high, again, some hidden bearish happening. That's it, dudes. There's hidden bearish right now. They're strong bullish. Again, trying to recover. Stalling right now. Maybe for a retest of the 20 at 6.63 cents. That will be a potential target. But again, strong bullish. Usually Trump's hidden bearish, and we could still try to go running. Failed to get higher than this high over here at 8.31 would very likely trigger another movement down. So if we need to get higher over this area, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Same high, higher, high, right? Low, or negative, low, lower. I'm not seeing anything bearish here right now, right? Look, high, higher, positive, high on the other side to higher point. Low, lower, negative, low on the other side to lower point. Everything's congruent. Even here, right? High, higher, high, higher, high, higher still. So it's all good. Bought at 64.72 on the RSI. That's it, dude. That's it for Crow. XBG. XBG on the daily, gapping up. That's okay, I guess. At 0.74 cents, so 3/4 of a cent. Right, that's where it's at. Bought at 63.44. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Low, high, low, high, low, that's fine. Over here, here, to here, and that is it, dude. That is it. Hidden bullish, that's about it. Again, you get that small pop, hitting the 20. Trying to go higher. I'm looking for something short term, but I'm not seeing much, dude. High, higher. High on the other side to a higher point, that's it. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Sorry, the 1 hour chart. We look for the bullish divergence, right? We still managed to go on lower. Lower, so we are going on creating this, right? And then from here, going to here, and here to here, and here to here as well. Actually, the upside, right? Starting to get that small pop happening. That's great. High, low. What is this? 172. 1-4, high, low, high, low, high, low. Everything's okay here after that. It's trying to rally slightly. 140, 123, right on. So bearish divergence here, strong, right against the MACD, and also here we don't have any reserves. That's fine. Low, high, negative, low, higher. Right, it's all good there. High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing happening after this bearish divergence that moves us down. Looks like you know, we're just basically gapping up slightly more. There's not a lot of trading happening. That would just generate some bearish divergence, but I'm not sure how reliable this is because there's not a lot of data on the chart. Right, that's what I'm going with right now. Alright, strong bearish divergence, but not a lot of data there. That's it for XBG, dude. I'm gonna check out Tube. Let's go on the daily. Alright, daily's fine. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, and there's at the higher point. Everything's good here. High, low, low. Alright. So strong bullish divergence here. Actually, to the upside, right? Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Low, high. Alright, that's fine. Let's check these out. There's some strong bearish divergence developing here. Right, action to the downside. Starting to move down. Low, high. And from here to here. Right, and then low, high as well. That's fine. So again, there's we had strong bearish moves moving us down. Now we're trading hidden bullish. They're starting to like basically support us at this level, right? Again, hidden bullish is one of those things that could just keep on dropping, and we could still make more negative momentum. We're still gonna have it, right? So it's not super reliable. It just tells that things could start slowing down around this level, and it seems that that is the case, right? We're kind of stalling here. Could be getting another leg down though, right? I'm not super confident with this project right now. Neutral at 48.61. Strong bear should still come into play and move this down still. We got the 20 as resistance coming up ahead at 0.78 cents. So let's see how it's going to play out for two. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, so there's hidden bullish here, right? Right here. Right, and that's it. Everything's good here, and then high, lower, high, lower, high. There's gonna be some hidden bearish here. High to low, right, and then low to high, and I'll just confirm that real quick though. This is 3316, and this is 4817. So yeah, slightly higher, and also here coming in slightly higher. So there's that hidden bearish divergence. Actually, to the downside, breaking below 20. We're gonna face that resistance. So let's see how this is going to play out here. But let's see if we have something else. Low. What was this closing here? 675. 673. Slightly less. Right, so if you just want to consider this not going less, but just going sideways for any means, you would just be calling for medium bullish divergence, and that's fine. But if you do believe it's going lower, because it is going lower, right, slightly, again, it closed at 6756. This closed at 6712, right? I'm looking at the last data here. So 674, and then 673, and then this 727, right? 72, and then 67. So slightly less. Actually, the upside, right? Jake saying so, but dips as they do. Got some backs. Yeah, right now it should be dipping slightly, man. It's going to struggle with the 20. Again, another way of looking at this, and if I zoom out, you might be able to see it a little bit better. From here to here, like that, and then from here to here. Something like that. So we could be looking at a sort of triangle forming there, right? Again, triangles are neutral. They can break either way. You can tighten us up the Bollinger Bands. That means volatility is leaving the market, and we should be expecting a wild move happening, right? Usually when we get squeezes on the Bollinger Bands like we did here, they start to expand again. That means that volatility is going to pick up, and we could be getting wild moves happening. So that's it for BitTube, I guess. Gonna do gold, silver, the rest of the stuff real quick. We've been live for about an hour and change now. Go back to Bitcoin real quick. 19,499, right? Again. Trying to move up again. Trying to move up above this level. Like I said, likely we could go for that 20, right? Do gold and silver. Let's see where they're at. Again, still moving down. Trying to recover already. 1,785 per ounce. I'm not going to call anything because there's nothing to call on gold. Silver at $20.84. Again, nothing to call. Lower, negative, or negative. Low on their side to lower points. So just oversold. Just sold at 38.35. So let's go to Dow Jones. Down 271 points. You know, we had the bearish divergence. Moving down, finding support at the previous all-time high. That was back here. That's where we're finding support at. Again, we had bearish divergence. Strong. Actually, to the downside, we called it at a couple days ago. So, we're expecting to move down on Dow. That is fine. Let's check out the Dow live. Again, moving down right now, starting to recover slightly, which is fine. This might mean that tomorrow we're going to gap up on the opening. We could be trying to move higher still. If that is the case, we manage to come up here. We're still going to be creating a strong bearish divergence, and then we can still be looking for a breakdown. That's it for the Dow live. S&P down 16 points. Again, bearish divergence moving down. We already knew this. Bought at 61.19. London. Drop lower, again, nothing that we could call it here. Here we called it fine. It was bullish divergence. We got the small pop. Then we dropped lower, right? Nothing to call here on the London Stock Exchange. Starting to rally slightly, that's fine. We haven't created any positive high, low, positive, negative, high, lower, high. The K. 221 points down. Again, we're looking for bearish divergence on the decay, right? Look at that. So again, we're moving slightly down. That's fine. Not a lot of pullback, but pulling back slightly. Toronto down 206 points. Again, we had strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. Remember, we called this one out on Friday. So, moving down is fine. West Texas slightly down again. Impulse up. We're starting to flag here. It looks nice and tight. Again, like that. And then, oh, dude. I'm just going to call this sideways or slightly higher like that. So it looks like a down-sloping triangle. That'll be about it, though, right? So here we go that. And just bought it at 64.69. That's it. And, Brent oil, similar thing, right? High, low, high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Just bought at 65.86. That's it. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being awesome supporters of this channel and of this stream. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys coming and, definitely chilling with me and, enjoying the stream. Hope you find the content educational and entertaining. If you find it educational and entertaining, please hit that like button on the sub. And if you find it either or, also hit that like button on the sub. Again, this is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure hosting you guys here every night. If you believe, this content is of any value, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here, man. What else was I going to tell you guys? Oh yeah, remember, everything that we do here is just for entertaining and education purpose only. It's not entertainment advice, and it's not entertainment. It's not investment advice. Yeah, we're correct. Yeah, my voice just. I was thinking about it's not investment advice, and I just said entertainment advice. It's not investment advice. Please just exercise care with your positions. I'm just indicating whatever I see with whatever I'm using to determine where the market's going to move, and just do your anything, your own things, right? DJ Zol, did anyone sell off or trade at 19.5? What the hell? Dude, DJ Soul, what do you want me to look at, dude? Because I didn't catch it. Trade or sell which or what at 19.5? Are you talking about Bitcoin 19.5 thousand? Or, dude, I'm off a little bit here, so give me a little bit more information. I'm assuming you're talking about Bitcoin, so I'm not selling yet. Right, so, dude, so ETH isn't the bearish. Dude, ETH isn't bearish what? ETH, Ethereum, potential double top, right? Again, much tighter than Bitcoin. Strong bearish? Yeah, it has strong bearish. High, higher, high. Positive was positive. That's on the daily. On the 4 hour, same stuff, right? High, higher. High low against the RSI. So there's the bearish divergence starting to move down, rejecting at 619. Then in the 1 hour, right, we had strong bearish as well. So yeah, there is strong bearish. Uh, Look, we're going for the 20, right? I called it, hit the 20 and see what we do. Right now, I was going for the 20. It's close to it. Hasn't quite hit it yet. The 20 right now is at 601.47. We are, or the lowest we got is 602.38. So we're looking for this potential move or bounce to happen, right? So that's it. Higher. Let's see this. 122. 145. All right, there's some good news right now that are developing. I was hoping this was going to be the case on the movement down. Look, something good happening right now, right? Low, higher, low. Negative, more negative. Low on our side, lower point. So there's some hidden bullish trying to develop here. Not saying it's going to trigger now, but there's hidden bullish. So the bearish is moving us down to 20. Again, hidden bullish could get us to prop up and get above that 619, right? So yeah, there is a strong bearish on larger time scales. But it is fine so far for Ethereum. Like I said, I'm not worried. I'm waiting. The target for the double bottom that we had was 706 or 709, somewhere in that area. 706, yeah. So, it's fine. Like I said, not worried. Waiting for it to trigger, and then again, potential double top here, right? One top, two tops, confirmation line will be coming down here. We'll be looking for a movement down if that is the case, right? So just keep that in mind on Ethereum. Remember 1, 2, and here, and then the move could get us to 418 or something like that. I can't remember what we called it for that percentage move, but somewhere around here, 438, right? Anyways, so target will be like 600-ish. Dude, right now we gotta wait. There's some hidden bullish. Could start to stall at this area, right at the 20. Could try to go higher then. We'll see. Right now, I'll say be patient. Set up a stop loss if you're worried, and then plan your exit. But in case it pumps, then just keep on rising your stop loss. Right now, we had this when we came in and we talked about going for the 20. We're very, very close to the 20. We haven't quite hit it yet. Even if we hit it and we go below the 20 right now, there's a chance we might try to push back up to close above the 20. Gotta wait, man. Gotta wait. Hidden bullish starting to develop, right? Hidden bullish here, after we hit the 20, triggered us to go higher. So there's no reason why hidden bullish couldn't trigger us to try to go higher. If the hidden bullish plays and fails to go higher than this previous high, we could be looking for that movement down again. That's it, right? The 20, you were saying what? So the target will be like 600-ish. The 20, I was saying. Sorry, dude. I'm not catching that 20, the 20 moving average. Yeah, 20 should be the target right now. 601.50, but we're close to it, 603.82. That's gonna be it, guys. Again, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in tonight. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, this is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome, Monday night. I hope you have a great time. I hope you enjoyed the show. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Stellar Crypto. Until then.